Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am making herb boondi delight. For this here I have taken 3 cups of yogurt, juice of 1 lemon, 1 teaspoon of dahi bara masala, 1 teaspoon of roasted and crushed cumin seeds, 1 cup of coriander, 1 cup of mint, 2 cloves of garlic, 4 to 5 green chilies and 2 cups of this boondi. I am using ready-made boondi. First I have soaked this in the lukewarm water, then I have drained the water and now this is ready to use. Now first I have to make the sauce. For the sauce, here in this blender I have to add all these greens. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Coriander and mint, then garlic and chilies, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, lemon juice, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, and some cumin seeds, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now I will blend them. Here I have whisked the yogurt without adding water. I am not adding salt, but if you want you can add in salt also. And here I have blended this green sauce. Now I'll add half of the sauce in this yogurt. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Here I have whisked sauce and yogurt together. See, this is very liquidy and I have not added a single drop of water. Now here I have taken this serving bowl. First I am adding some of the yogurt in the bowl. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Like this. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Do not add all at once. Now I will add in this boondi. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now add in remaining yogurt. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now at this stage this is done. Now lastly sprinkle some cumin seeds, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, and dahi bara masala, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Herb boondi delight is ready to be served. I hope you like this video. See you soon in my next video, inshallah. Till then, fi amanullah, take care and Allah Hafiz.